KSA Amri branch pentok lang aputhak jerok tok amai karni. Ingdeng hini buka khatnatia mandir Karbi freshers lapen social meet kapadupon. Dhanjari constituency MAC Cup Anglong kiti kapatu. Kardom ADAP ABIRTA longpen nilisami villain rong parpi. Nonarjik tha birta angton pen. Khai amoy arbungpu Karbi lo Charlie asong kimang ponaputhak alam chot lapukali. Akam ke klem pen sipaklang jipu KSA Amri branch pen kapangdang. Chitini phai troxy arni West Karbi Anglong Bersingki Community Hall along Educational and Social Awareness aputhak KSA Amri branch pen siding pon. Amri branch committee amai phu hemari ingti pen kachepahem phu pon amai along chunbang babu sing milik pen aluhi pachini pon. Bangso amai along KSA TRP mai phu Samson Teron Hamren District Committee pen babu rongpi pachathang chunbang Altiva Students Union Kong chunbang Protester Mithi Khasi Students Union pen Pian Ngailing Ratane Putsari Area Development Committee amai phu Roman Puma Karate Association of Karbi Anglong District chunbang Bindu Puma pen Chenglok Manpeng ki thekiding atum chetongdun Lapu Amri ahwar kaching thur ahar chika dure aputhak lardak alam thepen rong aran atum pen KSA TRP amai phu Samson Teron aphan than pachini dun. News Desk Report Karbi Anglong Live. Chitini phai troxy arni bokaghat natya mandir along Karbi Student Association ahin pen patir piponsi ingdeng hini Karbi fresher social meet padopon. Mayalong BKSA chunbang sartheng ingti pen kachari pon amayalong alhi sarpo aman pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council IM Barim Surjarong Par Dwarbaburi VDC Chairman Sarpoy Rongpar VDC Chairman Barim Sonaram Signar Harlong B Welong B College Principal Mrs. Junali Ronghang P Pentanglong Kiong Dungatum Chitongdun Mayalong Kilun Kitan pen aning arong na pen alir along chitipon Mayalong alhi sarpo Surjarong Parlam the ke jaipon ke ilitu makhai penang anti iduk tikla pen asok anu ke duatu apai ki ong munang apot mitrik ang dengalong katiku ong munak titi lapen penang anti metang si besar liapan kaciri nang apot si ilitum tikuk det titilo pindeng sumpot lapen tok lang along sitami cisong ponang po ilam iki ijutang kacirim pinang sot pininim so kirong matik kaya jutang kikan kapaklang apot bukaghat KSA atumapan akiru pipon lapen chief guest aki high surgeon parpen ajo lokimo obemi atul kuatui kami ingpipon alang lipen kijay pon ANM GNM along sa tami ka Charlie dun kinang sot BKSA President Samson ingti lapen Secretary Sarkleng ingti atu katitong ara doa napan kachuru kajirpon. News Desk Report Karbi Anglong Live. Dhanjari Sports Association ahin pen patir piponsi pini kechengsi Dhanjari Constituency MAC Cup pini angdeng kiti pathupon. Bangso angdung kiti kapathu along alhi sarpo aman peng pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang kachetong dunalong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM MP Horan Singh Be EM Pradip Rongpi EM Mongol Singh Timung EM Jogat Singh Ingti pendang lok ki ongdung ke thekiding atum chetong dun pini angdung kiti kapathu pon along Fulbaram FC lapen Kothalguri FC angbongsi angdung kiti pathupon Kothalguri FC atum ki thek munanga jog gol thompen Fulbaram FC atumaphan parempon West Karbi Anglong District ahem pi hamren rong supi DCSI hem chikoinot along Chitini phai troxy adapor phai cap apor Guwahati High Court Judge in Charge Administrative Department mate alhi sarpo Justice N Kotiswar Singh pen Hamren Judicial Court ingpupon Nogam District and Session Judge Sangpirita Karpen mai jabonsi kachitong aluhi lapen manpeng kachitong dun atumaphan Karbi poho lapen choi hongthor kiti pajir pensi pachilipon Mayalong kupiapotsi Judicial Court ki bi lapen hawar arat ko anlo aleduji lapen non kacharli klim somaratum setami pirthe dang chingri sar ki kroy aran mate common law kacharli ke thekdon akinang son binong puta lamthe Guwahati High Court Judge in Charge Mr. Justice N Kotiswar Singh pen Mayalong lamthe jai Lason thak si Hamren Judicial Court along Portfolio Judge Kitang Abangpu Hiteswar Kumar Sharma Lapen Lakha Inkoy Batalang so SDLA Constituency Dr. Mansing Long Pi Penta Lamthe Jaidun Labangso Judicial Court Complex Kangpua Long West KARBI ANGLONG DC Shahid Iswagur Rahman Lamthe Jai.
Today is a historic day for Hamren because the Judicial Court campus has been inaugurated by Honorable Justice Koteshwar Singh from the Guwahati High Court. He was accompanied by Honorable Justice S.K. Sharma sir, lots of judicial officers from the High Court as well as District Judge Nagaon and other senior officials came. So initially one court of additional district and session judge Hamren and one Munsif court will function here. The Munsif is already permanently stationed here. And for the court of additional district judge, it will be a circuit court. Initially, he will come only once in a week. After that, depending on the number of cases, if there are more cases, then he will increase his frequency. And they have requested that adequate land should be given to them so that proper judicial complex, offices, quarters can be constructed. And when these courts are come, definitely employment opportunity will also come because lots of these posts will come up for the grade 3, grade 4 post. Because other judicial officers are requested by the Assam Judicial Service, so that will not be locally recruited. But for the other post, it will be locally recruited. We hope that one day there will be a full court, right from the district judge to the all the level, and we will have a full functional court. And today's function was attended by Principal Secretary from the KARBI ANGLONG Commerce Council.
West KARBI ANGLONG SP Mrinal Talukdar, KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council EM Rup Singh Teron, Hamren Bar Association, Hamren Municipal Board Chairman Biren Tiso, HMB Vice Chairman Het Singh Rongphar and Parta Department along. Saikiri po atum chetong dunsi RT Dojot Hamren Rong Supi along Judicial Court Complex Asai Hem Kang Pua Saikideng Pachun Pon. News Desk Report, KARBI ANGLONG Live. Honorable Justice Mir Alfas Ali Aridengpen Bukajan Subdivision along Chitini Pai Troxy Arni Judicial Court Ingpupon. West KARBI ANGLONG Hamren Rong Supi along Pini Judicial Court Kangpupon Asai Kedeng Ponasonsi Pini Bukajan Subdivision along Ta Bangso Judicial Court Ingpupon Tanglo. ADAP Professor Kepen Honorable Justice Mir Alfas Ali Aridengpen Si Ingpupon. Bangso Kangpupon along Kachirap Chitodun Sar Intaro KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council Secretary MK Saikia Deputy Commissioner Muhammad AU Ahmed District Session Judge R Bordaloy Dunmaipu Dipu Bar Association Pencenglok Kithekidingetun Chirap Chitodun. Judicial Court Kangpu Asai Kedeng Ponalong 155 BN CRPF CO SP SDO Pencenglok Pregjam Asai Kam Asai Puatum RD Kipidun Teglong.
Mechanism strike. So, এই মতে আমাৰ তাত জাষ্টিস সিস্টেম চলি আছিল আৰু সেই সময়ত এক্সিকিউটিভ আৰু জুডিচিয়েল সেপাৰেশন হোৱা নাই গতিকে এক্সিকিউটিভ অফিচাৰ্স হেডেড বাই ডেপুটি কমিশনাৰ এণ্ড হিজ এছিষ্টেণ্ট আৰু গাংগুৰা মহিলা এওঁলোকৰ হাতত আমাৰ জাষ্টিস ডেলিভাৰী সিস্টেম যিটো আইন IPC হওক CRPC হওক এওঁলোকেহে চলাই আছে সেই সময়ত মানুহ কম আছিল কেছো কম আছিল কিন্তু এতিয়া পপুলেশ্যন বহুত ডাঙৰ বাঢ়ি গ'ল আৰু আপোনালোকে সকলো জানে যে কাৰ্বি আংলংটো বহুত
Bangso Judicial Court Pini Kangpu Pen Bukajan Subdivision Arlokido Rong Mongwe Dolamara Deithor Chukihola Pencenglok Kaprek Arong Ahabar Aran Atum Pen Kenang Sot Asai Dipuan Kedam Isi Akijok Ponpo. News Desk Report, KARBI ANGLONG Live. At ABIRTA Bangke Lapan Sikang Ton Iglom Dumit Thakmi Kardom.